Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now I am going to share you how you can easily add zoom in and zoom out effect in your video in Capcut for mobile. Okay, let's start. See, I already put a video in my timeline. Okay, now here I click on video and add a keyframe. Continue video and here again add a keyframe and set zoom in video with my finger. Okay, now again continue video and here add third keyframe and set video which was before. Now play the video. You see our zoom in effect start from first keyframe and zoom out effect start from second keyframe. So friends, this was my today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel.